Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I'm going to show you how to do a chain and to single crochet if you're a complete beginner. So I tend to use cotton yarn and a 5mm hook, and we'll go ahead and start off with a slip knot. So first you will make a little loop. And now you will flip that loop on top of your working yarn so that you can see it right in the middle of the loop. You'll take your hook and place it underneath your working yarn inside of the loop. That little line in the middle, place your hook underneath, and then hold it and pull your excess tail and your working yarn and pull it tight. And then let go of your excess yarn and just pull it tight with your working yarn. And that's how you make a slip knot. And I'm also showing you how to wrap your yarn. I wrap it around my pinky finger, and then I wrap it again around my pointer finger. And then I grab the knot of my slip knot with my thumb and my middle finger. So I'll show you again. Wrap around the pinky finger, wrap around the pointer finger, grab the knot with your middle finger and your thumb, and now you can begin chaining. To do a chain, you're going to wrap the yarn around your hook, turn your hook towards you, and then pull through the loop. So again, place your hook around the yarn, turn your hook towards you, and pull the hook through the loop. And that's how you chain. So we'll do it again. Yarn over, turn your hook to you, and pull through. And that's how you do a basic chain. You can do however many that you need for whatever project you're making, but I'm just going to do about 10 for this tutorial to keep it nice and short. And once you have your desired amount of chains, you will have something that looks like this. And now we can move on to single crochets. So from your base chain, you're going to chain an extra one. And you're going to go into the second chain from the hook. So it's this little hole right here. That's the second chain from the hook. So you can see it's like a little V, and for your base chain, you can just go under the top loop. And to do your single crochet, you're going to yarn over, pull through, and you will have 2 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through 2. And then I'll show you in the next one. You're going to insert your hook, so you can see again that little V, and you'll go into that top loop. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 2 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through 2. And we'll do it again together. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, and then yarn over and pull through 2. And again, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through 2. So you should have something that's starting to look like this. And you will continue doing single crochets onto your base chain until you get to the end. And once you get close to the end, you'll have to make sure that you don't miss that last stitch. A lot of people, when they're starting out, they will miss it because it just doesn't look like a stitch, but don't forget to go into it. So you'll insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through 2. So this is what your work should look like now with your first initial chain and your first row of single crochets. I'll go ahead and show you how to do your second row and every row after. You'll always want to chain 1 unless the pattern says not to, but I'm going to show you how to do it with a chain 1. And then you're going to flip your work to the back side. And now you'll be working the other way. So you can see these little holes are where you're going to be putting your hook. So there's the hole, and you can see on top that your stitches are made up of little V's, and you'll be placing your hook underneath those V's. So into that very first stitch, you'll insert your hook into that first hole. So you'll insert your hook, and now you can see that you have 2 loops on top of your hook. Then you'll yarn over and pull through, and you'll have 2 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, pull through 2. So then you will work into the next stitch, which is this little hole that's right next to it. Insert your hook, and then to double check that you've gone into the right spot, you can see that you have 2 loops on your hook. And then yarn over, pull through, 2 loops left on the hook, yarn over, and pull through. And we'll go through it again. You'll insert your hook into the next stitch. You can check to make sure that you're in the right spot. If you have 2 loops on your hook in the little V shape, then you'll yarn over, pull through. You'll have 2 loops left on the hook, yarn over, and pull through those 2 loops. So now you will continue placing a single crochet into each stitch until the end, and I will meet you back at the end so I can show you the very last stitch. So now we've single crocheted all the way across until that very last stitch, which, like I mentioned before, a lot of people tend to miss it, especially on the second row and forward on. So it's the same concept. You're going to insert your hook into that spot, and to make sure that you are in the correct spot, you can make sure that there are 2 loops on top of your hook. and then you'll just do a regular single crochet. So yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, pull through 2. And that's how you do a slip knot, a chain, and 2 rows of single crochet. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that it helped you out, and be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.